you guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a head wrap with an old pair of jeans. So first I'm just going to be taking some curls out of my hair because I want to have some curls in the front and in the back, just to get the head wrap a little more my style. And then I'm just going to be putting my hair up into a ponytail because my head wrap is going to be a high wrap. So I'm just going to refresh my curls really quick. Okay, and right here we just got our pair of jeans. Alright, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to fold each flap down as if you was folding a headscarf. Tuck it into the zipper part and then fold it one more time into like a little triangle. Alright, and then we're going to take the leg part of the jeans and we're just going to wrap that part around our head, as you guys are going to see me do right here. And as we get towards the end of the wrap, we're just going to tuck the rest of it inside so that it can be secure. Okay, yes, and then you have a little look. I usually just fluff my hair out at the top, how I like it, and then boom, I'm ready to go. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Mwah.